Yeah. Whoa! Very nice to see so many people dressing up. I decided to dress up as well. I apologize in advance for this outfit, but every cruise I decide to come with a different one. Song, and I know you can do the dance moves. So everybody on the dance floor, we have another one on that side. There's a dinosaur on that side. All right, so everybody facing the other dance floor. Let's do the 5, 6, 7, and to the right, to the left. Bring it back, bring it back. To the dances with me, I gotta say, your costume is amazing. I'll tell you what we're gonna do shortly. Very shortly, I'm gonna need everybody in a big conga line of costumes. And I want you all to pick your favorite. Actually, slide your right foot out and slide to the right. Then left foot out, slide to the left. So far so good? Left foot slide. Kick, kick and turn. Kick. Give the divers a nice round of applause.